Hey there, drone enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the incredible world of DJI drones in 2025. If you've ever dreamed of capturing stunning 4K footage from the sky or exploring places you've never seen before, then you're in for a treat. From advanced AI capabilities to longer flight times and enhanced safety features, DJI has once again raised the bar, delivering cutting-edge technology that takes aerial photography and videography to new heights. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, there's a DJI drone perfect for you. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's soar into the future of aerial exploration together. Number 5. DJI Mini 2 SE. The DJI Mini 2 SE marks an impressive entry in the world of compact drones, providing both novice and experienced pilots with an exceptional flying experience. This lightweight drone, weighing just 249 grams, is designed for maximum portability, making it an ideal companion for outdoor adventures, travel, and spontaneous photography sessions. The Mini 2 SE boasts a robust camera that captures stunning 12-megapixel stills and 2.7K video at 30 frames per second, ensuring that your aerial shots are vibrant and detailed. With a 3-axis gimbal stabilizer, the drone ensures smooth footage, even in challenging conditions, allowing you to capture cinematic quality videos with ease. Whether you're shooting breathtaking landscapes, family gatherings, or breathtaking sunsets, the Mini 2 SE delivers impressive performance in a compact form. One of the standout features of the Mini 2 SE is its impressive flight time, offering up to 31 minutes on a single charge. This extended battery life means you can spend more time in the air and less time worrying about recharging. Additionally, the drone's advanced transmission technology provides a range of up to 10 kilometers, allowing you to explore and capture footage from greater distances without sacrificing connection quality. User-friendly features such as quick shots and intelligent modes make it easy for anyone to get started with aerial photography. With modes like Drone, Circle, and Helix, you can execute complex shots with just a few taps on your smartphone. Number 4. DJI Mini 3. The DJI Mini 3 is a remarkable entry in the world of compact drones, designed to cater to both novice flyers and seasoned aerial photographers alike. Building on the success of its predecessors, this latest model offers a perfect blend of portability, advanced features, and high-quality imaging capabilities. Weighing in at just under 249 grams, the Mini 3 is lightweight and easily fits in a backpack, making it the ideal companion for outdoor adventures, travel, and spontaneous shoots. One of the standout features of the Mini 3 is its impressive camera system. It boasts a 1.3-inch sensor capable of capturing stunning 4K video at 60 frames per second and 48 megapixel still images. This allows users to create professional-grade content with vibrant colors and remarkable detail, even in challenging lighting conditions. Additionally, the Mini 3 includes advanced shooting modes such as HDR and night mode, enabling creators to push their artistic boundaries even further. The Mini 3 also excels in battery life, with the option to upgrade to a larger battery for extended flight times, reaching up to 38 minutes on a single charge. This means less time worrying about recharging and more time capturing breathtaking aerial shots. The drone features intelligent flight modes, such as quick shots, which allow users to effortlessly create stunning cinematic footage with just a few taps on their smartphone. Safety and ease of use are paramount in the design of the DJI Mini 3. Number 3. DJI Air 3. The DJI Air 3 marks a significant advancement in the world of consumer drones, combining cutting-edge technology with user-friendly features to cater to both beginners and experienced pilots alike. With an impressive dual-camera system, the Air 3 is equipped to capture stunning 48 megapixel stills and 4K video at 60 frames per second, ensuring that every moment is immortalized with exceptional clarity and detail. One of the standout features of the Air 3 is its enhanced battery life, allowing for longer flight times of up to 46 minutes on a single charge. This extended duration means you can explore more and capture extensive footage without the constant worry of needing to recharge. Additionally, the drone incorporates advanced obstacle avoidance technology, utilizing multiple sensors to detect and navigate around obstacles, making it safer and easier to operate in complex environments. The Air 3 also boasts improved transmission technology, providing a more stable and reliable connection between the pilot and the drone. This ensures that live video feeds are smooth and uninterrupted, even at greater distances. With a maximum transmission range of up to 12 km, users can explore more extensive areas while maintaining a strong connection. Furthermore, the DJI Air 3 features intuitive flight modes, such as Focus Track, which allows the drone to automatically follow a subject, and Master Shots, which simplifies the process of creating professional-looking videos with just a few taps. These intelligent modes empower users to unleash their creativity without needing advanced piloting skills. Number 2. DJI Mavic 3 Pro. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro represents a significant leap forward in the realm of aerial photography and videography, combining cutting-edge technology with user-friendly features that appeal to both professionals and enthusiasts alike. At the heart of the Mavic 3 Pro is its impressive dual camera system, which includes a Hasselblad camera with a large 4.3 CMOS sensor. This allows for stunning 20 megapixel stills and remarkable 5.1K video capture at 50 frames per second, delivering unparalleled image quality with excellent dynamic range and low light performance. One of the standout features of the Mavic 3 Pro is its advanced obstacle avoidance system, which uses omnidirectional sensors to detect and avoid obstacles in all directions, enhancing safety and allowing for more complex flight maneuvers. Coupled with the new ActiveTrack 5.0 technology, the drone can intelligently follow subjects while avoiding obstacles, making it easier than ever to capture dynamic shots with minimal input from the pilot. Battery life is another area where the Mavic 3 Pro shines, boasting an impressive flight time of up to 46 minutes on a single charge. This extended duration means that users can spend more time in the air, capturing breathtaking footage without the need for frequent battery changes. Additionally, the drone features enhanced transmission technology, allowing for a video transmission range of up to 15 kilometers, ensuring a stable connection even at considerable distances. Number 1. DJI Mini 4 Pro. The DJI Mini 4 Pro represents a significant leap forward in the world of compact drones, combining advanced technology with user-friendly features that cater to both novices and seasoned pilots alike. This drone is designed to capture stunning aerial footage while being incredibly portable, making it an ideal choice for photographers and videographers on the go. One of the standout features of the Mini 4 Pro is its impressive camera capabilities. It boasts a high-resolution sensor that enables users to shoot 4K video at up to 60 frames per second, providing crystal-clear imagery with vibrant colors and exceptional detail. Additionally, the improved low-light performance allows for stunning shots even during twilight or in poorly lit environments, ensuring that your creative possibilities are unlimited. The Mini 4 Pro is also equipped with advanced obstacle avoidance sensors, which enhance safety and provide peace of mind during flight. This feature uses a combination of front, back, and downward sensors to detect obstacles and navigate around them, allowing users to focus on capturing their shots without worrying about potential collisions. Flight time has also seen an upgrade, with the Mini 4 Pro offering extended battery life that allows for longer sessions in the air. This means you can cover more ground and capture more footage on a single charge, making it a reliable option for long shoots or outdoor adventures. In terms of ease of use, the Mini 4 Pro comes with intelligent flight modes such as ActiveTrack, Quick Shots, and Waypoints, which enable users to execute complex maneuvers with minimal effort.